channel back. Today we have left Udaipur and now we are heading to Jaipur. And you can see the roads are very empty. Empty roads. Put to me, I am the hero. Okay, and we should reach Jaipur by 4 o'clock probably. Let's hope that we reach early, so we get time to explore Jaipur, and then we will see if we'll stay for a night. Because Hotel's birthday is there tomorrow and we have to celebrate. So what better place than Jaipur? And then we go to देखते हैं वहाँ मंदिर ले चले. Okay, now you can view the scenery.
जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए. मिलन की मस्ती भरी आँखों में हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए तो चला जाता हूँ तराने लिए.
Open.
Snoopy. Hi Snoopy. We have come to a hotel. Catch this or it will sleep. We have come to Hotel Anand. So यहाँ पे we'll have chai.
No.
Come on. We'll have tea over here. भाई चाय मिलेगा? चलो चाय मिलेगा. होटल कुछ ऐसा है. यहाँ पे पूरा सामान है. Good things. You get many things to eat. Papda, rice, biscuit. And we have ordered puri bhaji for myself, and now you can see puri bhaji over here. See, puri bhaji आ गया है. गरम पानी भी आ गया है. गर्मा गरम पानी. पूरी भाजी है इसका. Yes. Anything is. गुड. भाई खाना मस्त है. नाश्ता मस्त था. ज़बरदस्त. चाय भी एकदम ज़बरदस्त. आपका नाम?
प्रजापति संजय.
संजय प्रजापति. होटल आनंद. जिसको भी आना है यहाँ पे रुकना है. उनका होटल का खाना एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास ज़बरदस्त है. मस्त है. ज़रूर आना इधर. ये कौन सा गाँव है? गोमती चौराहे. ऑन द वे टू जयपुर का हाईवे पे जाते हुए लगता है. बहुत अच्छा होटल है. मस्त
क्या
है.
है?
ये तिल का
Went now recently to Chambal.
We are crossing Chambal Ghati in Rajasthan, and you can see the white marble mountain.
And in the waters na alligators and all that.
a Jain temple on the way to Jaipur. From Udaipur to Jaipur, when we go, this is a temple. Just entering, before entering Jaipur, there is a temple, and this temple is especially for Jains, and only Jains are allowed to go inside. No other caste are allowed to go inside because they ask Aadhaar card for anyone who are entering inside. What an This is the Fort Nahargarh at Jaipur. We had come over to see this place, this fort. It's a palace and a fort both. Built somewhere in the year around 1600, mid of 1600. It's a beautiful fort, nicely decorated, architecturally very great and very nicely done. You can see the carvings, so beautiful, such a nice architecture work, so finesse. And look at the entrance of the fort. This fort was built over by many kings who ruled at that time, and added rooms to it, and also kept on decorating as per the choice of the queens and the liking of the queens, to keep their queens happy and their subjects happy, because there were people staying inside the fort also who used to take care of the king and the queens. And the design is all Warli and local Jaipuri designs. You can see this beautiful monument over here. What a beautiful thing. Yeah, Jenny and Audrey is posing, and Audrey is posing in front of the main gate entering the fort. It's a beautiful, nicely carved, designed palace, and it's a must visit place. Jaipur is known for its architecture, music and folklore, and there are many such architectural designs within the fort also, which we will be showing you as we move ahead. Most of these are pictures. Videos could not be clicked because my action camera's battery had ran out, so I could not shoot with my action camera, and even my mobile battery was down unfortunately. So these are the photos that we are attached for your understanding and to know the beauty of this fort through photos. This is the bird view from top of the terrace of the fort, and you can see the Jaipur city, how it is spread. It's congested now because this used to be the watchtower by the guards, and Audrey is posing in front of the wall of the fort, and Audrey with her mama is posing over there. You can see the palace behind on the palace hotel. This is the Taj Palace Hotel, which is built on the river over there, the lake in fact, and can be seen from this side of Nahargarh Fort. And it's such a lovely place, huge. It's awesome. Just imagine the time taken to build this fort on the hill, and that time there were no machineries, but with people and with animals, with elephants, they picked up huge stones and they built this castle over there, this palace over there, this fort you can say, and it's just awesome. You can just marvel at the beauty of the architecture that has gone into making of this. Some around 5,000 odd people were working together, all put together, the artisans, the workers, the mahots, and everyone, the horsemen put together. It took around more than 100 years to build this, but it was really awesome, just amazing. You can see the beautiful mountain, the lake, and this is one of the biggest cannon in the world. It is some 34 meter long and can hold around 50 kgs of ammunition and can fire at one stroke. It's a beautiful one, lovely courtyard where they used to have their folk music and dance over here, and used to be watched by the kings and queens from their balconies, from the terrace or from their rooms. And you can see beautiful architecture and inside the courtyard also. Yeah, Jenny and Rachel are posing. This is the tree in middle of the courtyard where they used to have their sittings probably. This is me giving some heroic stunt shots, trying to show that I can lift the tree. But that's just a shot. Yeah, and this is the inside alley going from one room to another. Again the Jaipur city from the tower point, and you can see how beautiful Jaipur looks even from top, especially at the night when all the lights glow. It looks more beautiful, they say, but we didn't wait for night. We just were doing the daytime. They had a night light and show also, but we didn't wait for that. Audrey posing. I am trying to go shoot with my recharged GoPro, but I could not much do about it. And Audrey once again posing. Most of the shots were taken with the mobile of my daughter, Audrey, Rachel Audrey. And this is the well. Every fort has such step well, and they store rainwaters to suffice their drinking throughout the year. And look at the beauty of the fort, of the palace. This is the garden over here, in between the fort, inside the fort. And they used to use the king and the queen used to have their stroll over here, is what the guide told us. This is well maintained still by the government of Rajasthan. It's really beautiful that they still maintain the 500 old structures, and so nicely they are kept up. And that's how tourism in Rajasthan is growing, because it is still well maintained even after 500 years and the structure are still standing. That's the beauty of construction in those days, without using cement and just using their local. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment on my video. Your support is much needed and appreciated. Thank you.